Welcome to Tinker Tuesdays. Can you guess what we are talking about today? It's dinosaurs. Check out those dinosaur feet. We're starting by collecting some of our items, which are these marble rocks, into a red pail. So we just need a few for our sensory bin. Let's get some grass. All right, we got some grass.
Let's get some, Mommy.
Okay, let's go. Encourage your little to look both high and low when searching for nature treasures. Different textures are also good. It'll help expand the play. Awesome. Good job. Now that we've collected all of our nature treasures, we have some sticks, rocks, some leaves, and we also have our main guests, the dinosaurs. And some trees. We're going to make a sensory bin. So now we have our puffy paint. If you are needing the recipe for this puffy paint, I will link the video down in the description box for you to review and go over, and it also has some activities that are associated with it. So go ahead and give that a look now. So right now we're going to add in the rocks. Okay, put that right there.
And some cement. And some cement.
So we're adding in rocks. If you would like, you can create the sensory bin beforehand, but if you would like your little to feel like they have some say-so in the box, do it with them. And of course our dinos. And our trees.
And my feet.
Thank you. Where you want to put it? Oh, yeah. That looks good.
And
Tree.
And my dinosaurs.
And your dinosaur. Where is he going to go? Right there?
Uh-huh.
What about that big one? Yeah, he's big. We put him over here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our bin ready for her to play. If your little is hesitant about how to start or digging in, go ahead and have a few creative play ideas like let's feed the dinos or the dinos are going on a mission. Here we decided that we were going to feed our dinos yummy treats. So we were going to be chefs. So as you can see, we are taking a little bit of our puffy paint and we're putting it in the pail, and we will later on move our dinosaurs to a restaurant table where they can eat their yummy foods. Remember, in all my activities like this, mess is best. So if you're afraid your child is going to get messy, maybe this is not the activity for you. Another play tip is you can get your dinos and use their feet as stamps or dino tracks. So that'll be a really cool thing to do. You can, have your dinosaur step in the paint and make tracks along the ground. You can also do a washing station where you have an additional bucket full of water and you can use that station to wash your dinos. As you can see, our dinos are seated and ready to eat our yummy, yummy puffy paint cakes. Some are diving in, but they are ready to eat our cakes. Oh, yummy. That looks delightful.
I need
Now we have naturally moved on to doing other things with the dinosaurs. Right now, she's just finger painting one of the dinos. Remember, there is no wrong way for the kids to play unless they are doing something that will endanger themselves. There is no wrong way to let them play. So just allow them to do it naturally. We have moved on yet again from painting the dinosaurs to now we're painting the concrete. And you can use this time, as you can see in the top video, I am doing what we did in the mud Tinker Tuesday. And I am drawing shapes and letters. And she is using a paintbrush. So if you have some kids who are still not comfortable touching the puffy paint, using a paintbrush is perfect for this as well.
Ta-da! What is it?
The pea.
A pea?
Mm-hmm.
A pea.
I make it boo-boo in my thing.
Pea.
I call pea.
Hmm. Feels very good on your hands. It's like, you know, when you would put glue on your hands and then let it dry and then peel it off. It's kind of like that, but fluffier. I love it.
I favorite finally
Ooh, I got
more
rocks.
on
Ooh.
in the thing. Time to paint the wall and fingers wall everywhere. But the painter wall.
The end result looks like this. But that's okay.
I hope you enjoyed this video, another Tinker Tuesday in the books. If you want to see more Tinker Tuesday videos, we did one last week, which was our first Tinker Tuesday, and that was a mud sensory bin. So if you are loving these Tinker Tuesday videos, please, please, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And there you can communicate with me. We can chat. You can give me some of your ideas, something that you would like to see. I cannot wait to talk to you, bookworms. See you soon. Bye.